Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are ready, Azure CLI installed, and you are logged in, plus a DevOps project and code repository. Once done, create Azure Pipelines. At the repo root so the service can find your pipeline. This file defines stages, jobs, and steps. Make sure to grant the pipeline access to the repository, otherwise triggers won't fire. Next, pick a starter template for your build language to avoid syntax errors, and commit that file to kick off the first run. Now you configure the pipeline internals. Define stages such as build, test, and deploy, and declare dependencies so order is explicit. Choose an agent pool, Microsoft-hosted or self-hosted, to match toolchain needs. Set VM image when using hosted agents. For each job, add tasks like restore, build, run tests, and publish artifacts, and parameterize values with variables and templates. Once tasks are defined, enable triggers and branch filters so PRs and commits run appropriate pipelines automatically. Finish by validating the YAML and running a manual build to observe behavior. This gives immediate feedback on syntax and permission issues. Once the run completes, inspect logs for each step, verify artifacts and test results, and confirm deployment targets received the outputs. If something fails, check variable values and agent capabilities first. A common fix: if you see 401 or permission denied errors, make sure the service connection or pipeline identity has the correct repository and Azure resource.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.